Oh, now you can see because she turned on that other light.
Did you turn it on?
You can tell they're on the door, except for right there. Up here, I have yet to sand.
Considering it's
It's gonna dry.
And 7-year, 100,000. The thing about your Honda certified used car, it's going to work the way it's supposed to.
Hi, Carrie.
Certified used car, it may be used, but it's still.
Don't mind me, I'm just being stupid.